For question 6, Emir has set his lawnmower to work at a constant speed of 2,000 meters per hour. He walks a distance of 300 meters when he cuts his lawn. Use this information to calculate how long Emir takes to cut his lawn. Give your answer in minutes. So for this problem, we need to remember the use of speed, distance, and time. So as we're looking for time, we need to do distance divided by speed. So the time will be equal to the distance, 300 meters, divided by the speed, 2,000. And when you work out 3,000 divided by 2,000, we get 0.15. But that would be hours because our speed is in 2,000 meters per hour. So to convert hours to minutes, because that's what the answer's asked us to do, we need to times by 60. So when you times that by 60, you get 9. So that's 9 minutes. For the second and third part of this question, it's asked what assumption have you made and what impact would this have on our on the answer we've calculated. So what we've assumed here is that Emir is walking in a straight line, or there's no turning, or that he's working at a constant rate, so that he didn't stop once. So any explanation around that, I could put no turning, but I'll just put walking in a straight line. And then for the third part, they've asked what impact would this have on the answer. So the actual reality is it would take longer to cut, or there would be more time needed, something along those lines of longer or increased time. So it could take longer to cut. For part B, it tells us that Emir cuts his lawn 25 times a year. He uses 4.5 litres of petrol in his lawnmower each year. How much petrol does the lawnmower use for every 100 metres that Emir walks? Give your answer in litres. So there's a couple of bits of important information. He cuts it 25 times a year, and in that whole year, he uses 4.5 litres. So the first thing, if he does it 25 times a year, and we know that from part A, he walks a distance of 300 meters. The first thing we can work out is 25 times 300. So 25 times 300 will give us 7,500 meters total is what he walks. So he uses 4.5 liters for every 7,500 meters, because that's how much he uses over the year. To find out what 1 meter, how much petrol how much petrol we use over 1 meter, we'd have to divide both of these by 7,500. So 1 meter, if we do 4.5 divided by 7,500, we use 0.0006 litres for every 1 metre. So then the question actually asks us how much does he use for every 100 metres. So then we're just going to times this answer by 100. So again, times by 100 will give us 0.06 litres for every 100 metres cut. There's more than one way of doing this answer, but that's the answer you're looking for.